Continuing coverage in Anderson County this evening, a couple accused in a quadruple murder will now have separate trials. We told you the judge granted that request yesterday.
Amy and Ross Velarde are in jail facing murder charges for the 2019 murders of Amy's mother, Kathy Scott, Kathy's husband, Mike Scott, Mike's mother, Barbara Scott, and Kathy's mother, Violet Taylor. For nearly a decade, the murders went untouched until the Velarde's arrest in 2023.
Our Maya Payton gives us a closer look at the arguments that shaped the day. She joins us now from the newsroom. And Maya, you continue to review the court arguments made from the defense and prosecution, right?
That's correct, Sydney and Nigel. You know, these two now will have separate trials. Now, if you're with us the last hour, you heard the defense and the prosecutors argue about a witness list. Well, another argument that kept popping up was the time of death recorded for these four victims. Take a look for yourself.
It is a 10-year-old case, and this is what ends up happening when you wait this amount of time to try to get information.
Ross's attorney brought into question the time of death of the victims. He told the court the timeline is critical, arguing because there are, quote, alibi offerings to where Amy and Ross may have been on the night of questioning. He pointed to a report from the coroner that lists the time of death as November 1st, 2015. And he highlighted a separate report from a doctor that also noted November 1st, 2015.
I'm handing you now a copy of the arrest warrants on behalf of Ross Velarde that for some reason the state of South Carolina has chosen to put the time of death or the date of death on October 31st, 2015, which fits into their narrative.
During the state's response, the judge interrupted, asking prosecutors to address the discrepancy.
The expert would be able to explain that. I believe the time of death is best defined by the last time anybody had communication with the person who died and the time that that person was found, in this case 4 people. And we have that time frame. We have the state that the blood was in, that the bodies were in.
So Maya, what is next for the couple?
Well, Sydney, you know, these two will both have their alone time in front of the jury, and the state decided that Amy will go first, and that will be on February 23rd. Now, throughout yesterday, these 6 hours, there were so many arguments presented, and they will likely circle back when these trials begin. Of course, we'll keep you updated on all things coming from these trials as they happen. I'm Maya Payton in the newsroom. Back to you.